In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube as an app with Google Chrome. This quick method turns YouTube into a standalone window that feels like a real app without downloading any extra software. All you need is Google Chrome and an internet connection. Let's walk through it together so you can launch YouTube faster and keep it separate from your regular browsing. First, open Google Chrome and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're actually using Chrome, because this specific feature lives inside Chrome and won't appear the same way in other browsers. Once the page loads, look to the right side of the address bar. You should see a small download icon. It looks like a downward arrow. Click that and then choose Install YouTube. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm. Chrome will package YouTube as a lightweight app on your device. Right away, YouTube will open in its own window, just like an app, without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This makes it easier to focus on your videos and gives you a cleaner, dedicated workspace for watching, searching, and managing your subscriptions. You can resize this window, move it around, and switch to it with your normal app switching shortcuts, just like any other application on your computer. If you want super quick access, you can keep it handy on your taskbar. While the new YouTube window is open, right-click its icon in your taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar. From now on, you'll be able to launch YouTube with a single click, even when Chrome isn't already open. This step is optional, but it's a nice time saver if you watch YouTube frequently. A quick tip before we wrap up. This method uses Chrome's built-in app install feature, so you're not adding any heavy programs to your computer. It's fast, secure, and easy to undo later if you change your mind. If you don't see the download icon, make sure you're on youtube.com in Chrome, not another browser, and try maximizing the window so the icon isn't hidden. That's all there is to it. You've turned YouTube into a standalone app-like experience using Google Chrome, giving you a tidy, focused window and one-click access from your taskbar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined YouTube setup.